The wait for the ultimate desk setup is finally nearing its end. And if you've been holding off on upgrading your monitor, the latest leaks for May 2026 suggest that your patience is about to be rewarded in a massive way. For years, the Apple Studio display has been the gold standard for creative professionals who demand color accuracy and seamless integration with the Mac ecosystem. But it hasn't been without its critics who pointed out the aging 60 Hz refresh rate and the lack of true HDR. Now, deep within the supply chain and hidden inside the latest macOS 16.4 beta codes, we are seeing the blueprint for what is being called the Apple Studio Display 2. This isn't just a minor spec bump. It is a complete reimagining of what a professional 5K monitor can be. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We're looking at a paradigm shift where Apple is finally bringing its Pro display technologies, previously reserved for the high-end MacBook Pros and the ultra-expensive Pro Display XDR, down to a more accessible price point. The most explosive piece of information coming out this month is the confirmation of a Tandem OLED, or advanced mini LED panel that will support a full 120 Hz promotion refresh rate. Imagine the fluid scrolling of your iPhone or iPad Pro, but scaled up to a massive 27-inch 5K canvas. This is the feature that users have been begging for since 2022, and the May 2026 leaks indicate that Apple has finally perfected the thermal management required to run such a high-performance panel in the slim, fanless aluminum chassis we love. But the screen is only half the story. The 2026 Studio Display 2 is rumored to house a dedicated A19 Silicon chip, the same powerhouse expected to debut in the upcoming iPhone 17 series. Why does a monitor need that much power? The answer lies in computational visuals. According to industry insiders, this chip will enable real-time AI-based upscaling and color correction, making even standard definition video look like native 5K. It will also revolutionize the built-in webcam, which has historically been a weak point. The new leaks point to a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with a larger aperture, powered by the A19's neural engine to provide hardware-level noise reduction and a center-stage experience that feels more like a professional cinematographer is tracking your movements. Furthermore, the audio system is getting a significant overhaul. We are hearing reports of a force-canceling woofer setup that delivers 30% deeper bass, turning your desk into a spatial audio theater without the need for external speakers. Connectivity is another area where the Studio Display 2 is set to leave its predecessor in the dust. The May 2026 leaks suggest the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5, a technology that doubles the bandwidth of Thunderbolt 4. This means you could theoretically daisy-chain multiple 5K or even 6K displays while still having enough bandwidth for high-speed RAID arrays or external GPUs, all through a single cable that also provides up to 100 W of power to your MacBook. There are even whispers of a second, larger variant, a 32-inch 6K model, that aims to bridge the gap between the standard Studio display and the $5,000 Pro Display XDR. This would give creators the screen real estate they crave without the extreme price tag of the XDR. The design is expected to be even sleeker, with thinner bezels and perhaps even a height-adjustable stand included in the base price, addressing one of the biggest complaints about the original model's stand tax. As we look toward the rumored late 2026 release date, the competition is getting nervous. While brands like Samsung and LG have tried to mimic the Studio display's aesthetic, they can't match the tight-knit synergy of Apple's hardware and software. With macOS 17 likely to include specific features designed to leverage the Studio Display 2's new sensors and processing power, this monitor is shaping up to be more than just a screen. It's a central hub for the modern creative workflow. Every leak we've seen this month points to a product that is designed to last a decade, future-proofed with the latest in display technology and connectivity. If you're a photographer, a video editor, or someone who simply values the best visual experience possible, the Studio Display 2 is the piece of hardware that will define your setup for years to come. Stay tuned as we continue to track these leaks, because the closer we get to the official announcement, the more incredible this display sounds. This is the era where professional-grade performance meets consumer-level elegance, and a studio display, too, is leading the charge.